Today we're exploring 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, a technology transforming industries by creating objects layer by layer from a digital file. 3D printing builds objects layer by layer, using materials like plastics, metals, and ceramics. Unlike traditional methods that subtract material, it adds it, allowing for complex and customized designs. Invented in the 1980s by Chuck Hull in Torrance, California, 3D printing solved the problem of slow and costly prototyping, enabling quick, cost-effective creation of physical models from digital designs. 3D printing is used for rapid prototyping, custom products like prosthetics, dental implants, and parts for industries like aerospace and automotives. It also has applications in healthcare, consumer goods, and construction. Key users include manufacturers, healthcare professionals, engineers, designers, and even hobbyists or small businesses looking for low-cost, customized production. Major players include Stratasys, 3D Systems, HP, and Formlabs, each offering unique solutions for everything from high-resolution printing to industrial-scale production. Prices range from $200 to $2,000 for home use to over $100,000 for industrial printers. Materials like plastic filaments cost around $20 to $100 per spool, with metals costing more. While 3D printing is revolutionary, it raises concerns about intellectual property, environmental impact, job displacement, and safety regulations, especially in healthcare and aerospace. Despite challenges, the benefits of customization, innovation, and sustainability make 3D printing a powerful tool for industries. With responsible use and regulation, it can drive positive change. 3D printing is shaping the future of manufacturing, healthcare, and beyond. For more info, check out books like 3D Printing, The Next Industrial Revolution, and sites like 3D Systems and Stratasys. Thanks for watching.